almost not moving to anywhere, just stay in C position. So next, using finger 1, 2, so finger 1 from G move to A. Come back. Here, pinky move to G. So here you just jumping from lower G. Keep the same position. Move down to F. F, G. So actually the last line, that's the only place you need to really move down your left hand. And right hand, the G, after you play the G on the pinky, move to the 4. 2, 4 again. F, 3 on G. Getting softer, diminuting angle. 5 left hand with right and 1, 3. And the 3 with 3, 5. 2 and 2, 4. No, 1, 3. Softer. Move up. So make sure your right hand last line plays the whole scale with smooth and even. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. So that's